Have you ever imagined a place where emerald lakes shimmer under snow-capped peaks, where wildlife roams freely across vast alpine meadows, and where every trail leads to a view more stunning than the last? Welcome to Banff National Park, Canada's first and most iconic national park, nestled in the heart of the mighty Rocky Mountains. In the next few minutes, we'll uncover the rich history, breathtaking landscapes, diverse wildlife, and unforgettable experiences that make Banff one of the most awe-inspiring destinations on Earth. A glimpse into history. Banff's story begins long before Canada even existed as a country. For thousands of years, Indigenous peoples, including the Stoney Nakoda, Katunaxa, and Tsuut'ina nations, lived in harmony with the land, using it for hunting, gathering, and spiritual practices. In 1883, a group of railway workers stumbled upon a set of steaming hot springs in what is now Sulphur Mountain. This discovery would spark the beginning of Canada's national park system. Just 2 years later, in 1885, Banff was established as a 26-square-kilometre reserve, Canada's very first national park. Named after Banffshire in Scotland, the park quickly became a symbol of national pride, drawing explorers, artists, and tourists from around the world. Geography and natural wonders. Banff National Park spans over 6,600 square kilometers of rugged wilderness in Alberta. It's part of the larger Canadian Rocky Mountain Park's UNESCO World Heritage Site. The park's landscape is dramatic and diverse, featuring towering mountain ranges like the Bow Range and Sawback Range, glaciers, including the Crowfoot and Bow Glacier, sparkling rivers like the Bow River, and over 1,000 glaciers, valleys, and alpine lakes. One of the most photographed places in the world, Lake Louise, lies here. Its turquoise waters and majestic mountain backdrop are nothing short of magical. Then there's Moraine Lake, framed by the Valley of the 10 Peaks, looking like something out of a dream. Wildlife of Banff. Banff is not just a treat for the eyes, it's a living, breathing ecosystem home to hundreds of species. Visitors often spot elk grazing in open meadows, grizzly bears and black bears foraging in the forests, bighorn sheep climbing steep rocky slopes, and moose wading through marshy areas. Bird lovers can glimpse over 260 bird species, including golden eagles, ptarmigans, and great horned owls. The park is a model for wildlife conservation, with corridors and policies in place to protect both animals and humans. If you're lucky, a quiet hike may bring you face to face with nature in its most authentic form. What to do in Banff? 1. Hiking and trekking. With over 1,600 kilometers of maintained trails, Banff is a hiker's paradise. Popular hikes include Johnston Canyon, with its waterfalls and catwalks, Plain of 6 Glaciers for alpine views, and Sulphur Mountain, where a gondola can also take you to the summit for a panoramic view. 2. Canoeing and kayaking. In summer, paddle across Lake Louise or Moraine Lake, where the water reflects the sky like a mirror. 3. Scenic drives. Drive the Icefields Parkway, one of the world's most scenic highways, connecting Banff to Jasper. It's an epic road trip full of glaciers, waterfalls, and viewpoints like Peyto Lake. 4. Hot springs and relaxation. Take a soak in the Banff Upper Hot Springs, just like visitors have done since the 19th century. The mineral-rich waters and mountain views make it unforgettable. 5. Winter adventures. In winter, Banff transforms into a snow lover's paradise. Ski at Sunshine Village or Lake Louise Ski Resort, go snowshoeing, ice skating on frozen lakes, or try dogsledding. 6. Town of Banff. The town of Banff, located within the park, offers charming shops, local art galleries, cozy lodges, and great food. It's the perfect base for your adventure. Where to stay? Banff offers a wide range of accommodations. Stay in luxury at the historic Fairmont Banff Springs Hotel, known as the Castle in the Rockies, or choose a rustic cabin or campground deep in the woods. Whether you're looking for luxury, budget stays, or camping under the stars, Banff has something for every kind of traveler. Fun facts and surprises. Banff is home to Canada's second highest town, sitting at 1,383 meters above sea level. The iconic Banff Film Festival, started in 1976, is now a global celebration of mountain culture. In winter, Lake Louise freezes so solid, you can ice skate right on it with mountain views all around. And did you know? There's even a glacier you can walk on nearby, the Athabasca Glacier on the Icefields Parkway. Planning your visit. Best time to visit: June to August for hiking, lakes, and festivals. December to February for skiing and winter sports. September to October for fall colors and fewer crowds. Getting there. Banff is about 90 minutes by car from Calgary International Airport. Renting a car is the most flexible way to explore. Parks Pass. You'll need a Parks Canada pass to enter and stay. You can buy it online or at the park gates. Closing. Banff National Park is more than just a destination, it's an experience that touches your soul. A place where nature reminds us of its power and grace. Whether you're standing on a snowy ridge, listening to the roar of a glacier-fed waterfall, or simply breathing in the crisp mountain air, Banff has a way of making you feel alive. So, pack your bags, open your heart, and come witness the magic of Banff. Your adventure awaits.